Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my videos. Today, again, we're celebrating Christmas, and with our CrossRay barbecue, we're going to cook a fabulous cranberry style turkey roll. And we're going to thank our friends from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game, Betty and Dimitri, for providing our beautiful free range turkey roll today. Pre-made, ready to go. We're going to complement it with obviously some beautiful potatoes that we're going to roast side by side. Now, on the CrossRay barbecue, with all 4 burners on low, we're going to cook it for around 1 hour. And it is about 30 to 35 minutes per kilo is what's recommended. Okay, so the prep time for this meal is around about 5 or 6 minutes. Of course, we've had our CrossRay barbecue with all 4 burners on high to get it up to around 250, 300 degrees. But we are going to turn them all on low. Now, with our potatoes, we're going to do them first. Nice and easy and simple. We've got them here. And of course, I'm just going to cut them. I'm just going to cut them in half because I want them a little bit smaller. So we just cut them like this and we put them in. We've got our paper on the bottom just to make sure that we don't stick any of them to the pan, but also it does help with cleaning. And I think I've mentioned that before many times. So we'll keep cutting these potatoes. And what we'll do is put some beautiful olive oil, some salt, and some crushed pepper on our potatoes. That's what we're going to do. Traditionally, with Greek style potatoes, you would add a bit of lemon. But we're not going to do that today because we have the beautiful turkey with cranberries. So we want to add a bit of sweetness to the meal. And of course, we're going to complement it with some beautiful cranberry sauce from Burrenberg, also provided by our friends at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. So there we are. We have all our potatoes all done, all cut in half. Try to run away. Just in there. And we have our beautiful lovey. Olive oil, of course, is what you pour on. Just like that. And we just put a little bit. There we go there. That's about 1/3 of a cup. Then we'll grab our beautiful pepper, crushed pepper on our potatoes. And there we have it. Now, because I've cut the potatoes in half, I'm not going to put any foil on it. I'm going to let them cook the way they are. And a beautiful galah salt as well. You want plenty of salt on your potatoes. Oh, just like this. Beautiful. And what we'll do with them is just grab them and put them straight on the top grill, just like that. And there we have it. Next is our turkey. Grab it. It's been pre-wrapped by Betty at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game, as you can see, with the netting and all the stuffing all done. So there we are. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is quickly put it on the CrossRay barbecue. I am going to sear it for about 30 seconds on each side, just to seal it before we put it on the top grill. And as you can see, coming close, and you'll start hearing it now. So it's been around 30 seconds, and I'm just going to turn it to the side, just like that. And I'll keep doing that for another 30 seconds until it goes all the way around, and then I'll place it on the top grill and let it cook for around 55 minutes to 60 minutes. I've now seared it on all 4 sides, and what I'm going to do is bring it back just here, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, like I do normally when you see me cook my turkey rolls. And the last one we did was the Jack the Greek special with with spinach, feta, and also with onions. So I like to put a little bit of olive oil on top, and obviously paste it with a bit of salt as well, because I'm not going to turn it once I put it on the top grill. I'm going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt, and I'm going to put a little bit of turkey crushed pepper, and because of the olive oil, it's going to stick. And I really want this on top as it's cooking to form a nice crust on top of the turkey roll. So we're going to put that in. While we're there, we might as well just touch on that salt as well. It won't hurt. And then put it on the top grill. Just like that. And because of the evenness of the CrossRay barbecue and the way it cooks with the heat strips, I can put the potatoes on one side, put the turkey on the other. They will take around an hour, as I said before, to cook. And putting the lid down with all 4 burners on low, that's all you need to do on the CrossRay barbecue. So we'll see you back in around an hour to cut up and plate up our beautiful Christmas cranberry turkey roll. Obas. So we've had our beautiful free-range turkey, our cranberry turkey, in the CrossRay barbecue now for around 55 minutes. We've got our potatoes as well. Come in close and have a look at them. And look at them just cooking away. Beautiful golden brown potatoes. Look at them. Excellent. So here's our turkey. Now what we'll do is we'll take it off And I had the temperature in it earlier, and it is sitting at around 70 degrees, and that's where you actually want it. So I'm going to close the hood now, turn off the CrossRay barbecue, and let the potatoes just sit in there for about 5 minutes. Because what we're going to do in the next 5 minutes is actually slowly take off the netting that was on the beautiful cranberry flavoured infused turkey and let it rest for around 5 minutes. So we'll take it off like this, and you can see it is quite hot, but slowly you can work your way around and take off all the netting. So it's been sitting there for around 5 or 6 minutes now, just resting, and we are on live video. There's no editing on Jack the Greek's videos, so let's have a look and see how it's going. We've had it on the CrossRay barbecue for nearly an hour, on all 4 burners on low, and here we go. Let's have a look at this. Still very hot, still very hot. Ah, I can smell the beautiful flavors, and let's have a look. Look at that, beautiful, and that's what you want. You don't want it too dry inside, and having a little bit of pink in there is perfect for a turkey, and that's what you want with the beautiful cranberry. So what we'll do is we'll put this part just here, and of course we'll slice up a couple of slices. Look at that, all the beautiful stuffing. Thank you, Betty. Beautiful. Look at that. And there we go. Wapas. Very hot. And there it is there. There's your first slice. You're always going to be careful as you're moving it. Just like that. Beautiful. And we'll cut one more slice, and then we'll get our potatoes going. But that is very hot, so I do need to get my towel and just keep my hands cool. And there we go. Beautiful. Okay, so here we go. The crunchiness of the skin as well. And we'll just put that in like that.
Okay.
Oh, you caught me out. And yes, I am having a little bit of a taste. Beautiful. That is beautiful. So let's put that aside now. Now we can put the rest on there, but I'm going to keep that to the side. So I want to leave some rooms for our beautiful potatoes. So we'll put that there. So we'll grab our potatoes now, just from our CrossRay oven. Here it is there, beautiful. There we go, we have our beautiful potatoes. So with our potatoes, again, they've been in the CrossRay barbecue for around about an hour, similar to beautiful turkey. And of course, you can plate this up with whatever you like, but I've chosen beautiful potatoes today, roast potatoes. And we just put them in the pan, just like this. Opa. Beautiful, look at that. Another beautiful Christmas dish, another option you can cook with your family outdoors on the CrossRay barbecue on Christmas Day. And you can of course have a turkey any time of the year. You don't need to wait necessarily for Christmas Day. So I'll grab one more, and we'll just put it just like that. We'll put the rest of the tray, and what we'll do is we'll grab the turkey, just put that on the side there, and we'll put that away in a minute. So we'll put that back in here. And of course, with any turkey, if you're going to have cranberry style, you can't forget traditional cranberry sauce. Put the foot down there. There we go. So what we're going to do now is quickly grab our beautiful cranberry sauce from Burrenberg, and it was thank again to our friends Betty and Dimitri for providing this beautiful cranberry sauce to complement our beautiful cranberry infused stuffed turkey. And again, from everyone, a fabulous Christmas from Jack the Greek, and stay safe. Opa.